guys, welcome back to the Nature Boys, and this is the Nature Boys headquarters. And today we have all the dinosaurs that we shrunk, and we have all these eggs that we collected from our video last time.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? We brought them back from the park, right, Keelan?
Yep.
And now, guys, we're gonna put the eggs that we got. And what's this stuff you got down here, Keelan? What kind of water is this?
Warm Dino egg water.
All right, we're gonna put the eggs in there and let them hatch, huh? Right, Rylan?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take these eggs here. And nice and safe. All right, Rylan, we're gonna let you do the first one. Here's our dino egg. All right, Rylan, go ahead and put it right on in the water, buddy. Nice and safe. All right, guys, so how long, Keelan? About 3 days till these things hatch?
Yeah.
All right, so let's put the second one in there. All right, got that in there. And how many eggs did we catch? 3 eggs?
Yep.
All right, so we'll go ahead and put the third one in there. All right, cool. All right, so there we go. All right, Keelan, you go ahead and put the top on there, buddy. Keep them nice and safe. And we're gonna put them in our Nature Boy closet.
All right.
All right, Keelan, Rylan, in there pretty good, son?
Yeah, these are some heavy dinosaurs.
In there, Rylan? What do you think, buddy?
Water. 10 pounds of water.
And all right, Keelan, you got them in there nice and safe?
Yep.
The people, we didn't send the dinosaurs that we shrunk back where, Keelan? Where didn't we send them?
We didn't send them back to Dinosaur Island.
All right, so let's show the people.
Here's the T-Rex.
All right, so we got our T-Rex that we shrunk, the last one.
The dinosaur.
Which one is that, Rylan?
It's like
What's his name? Is that a Stegosaurus?
Yes.
All right, can you say Stegosaurus?
Stegosaurus.
Good job. All right, what's the next one you got there, buddy?
It's the Triceratops.
Triceratops. Good job. And let's see what's that one with the long neck right there?
It's a long neck.
Is that Brachiosaurus?
Brachiosaurus.
All right, Keelan, show us these ones up top here.
This is T-Rex and Tyrannosaurus
All right,
stands for Tyrant King.
T-Rex.
This is
All
a
right.
Velociraptor, the
There's that.
smartest dinosaur.
He's very fast, isn't he, buddy?
Yeah, very.
All right, what's this one we got here? Is this the Allosaurus we caught?
The Allosaurus.
All right, guys, and what we're gonna do, Keelan? Where we going? We're gonna send them back. We're gonna open the portal.
Yep, and send them back to Dinosaur Island.
All right, guys, we're gonna open this portal up for these dinosaurs, and we're gonna try to send them back as fast as we can. And we're gonna open. We're gonna blow these dinosaurs back up. Maybe not all the way, Keelan, about halfway, because we're in our headquarters, right? So we don't want them too big. But once they get back into Dinosaur Island, they'll be normal size. So we'll probably open the portal up. Where do you guys want to open the portal up? Right over there, Rylan?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna open it up right there. We got our guns. We can't switch them over if the T-Rex tries to get loose, get out of the house. So we might have to shrink him down again if he gets real wild, huh?
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
He can bite your toe.
Right, okay, we gotta be careful. Go ahead and get the Stegosaurus.
Yep, let's put it right here.
All right, put him in the, there you go, that's perfect. You guys get on each side, and we're going to do the zapping to blow this guy back up real fast and send him back to Dinosaur Island.
All right, do that.
Wow, guys, you blew him up. All right, Keelan. He's going in there. Say bye-bye, Stegosaurus. Oh, awesome. He's gone, guys. Good job. Oh, wow, cool, guys. So we shut the portal down. He went in, right, Keelan?
Yep.
That's awesome. So the Stegosaurus went in. The Stegosaurus went in. Let's do the Triceratops now, okay?
The exocock.
All right, there you go. You got the Triceratops, Keelan?
Whoa.
All right, guys, oh, be careful with him, man. You don't want to hurt him. All right, go ahead and set him up so we can blow him up and send him back into Dinosaur Island, too. We'll open the portal back up as soon as we blow him up. All right, Rylan, get your guns, man, so we can blow this guy back up. You ready?
Yep.
Get your guns, Rylan. All right, you guys stand beside him. Get on the sides of him, man. All right, there you go, Rylan. All right, Keelan, get in there.
All right.
All right, you guys ready?
There you go.
You ready? Back up. You don't want him to hit you with this horn, Rylan. Alright, there you go. Alright, guys. Go ahead. Start shooting. Oh, getting bigger, guys. Keep shooting. Oh, look at, alright, watch out, guys. He got them horns. He's kind of, watch out for him. Alright, go ahead, back up, guys. Give him a little bit of space. Give him a little space. Come on back here, Rylan. He's getting bigger, Rylan. Roll, Rylan. Reverse it. Reverse your guns, guys. He's being. Give him a shot, Rylan. Good job, Rylan. Gonna get this portal open for him. Oh man, that Triceratops. There he goes, Keelan. Man, he gave us a little bit of trouble, huh? Wow, that's cool. Let's check this portal out, guys. You coming, Keelan?
Yeah.
Come on in. Let's take a look in here, guys. Ah, let's look. Hope we don't get sucked in there. Look, Keelan.
Wow.
Let's look around. You see this? Look at this thing. It's crazy. It smells like dinosaurs in here, man.
Yeah. Dinosaurs are stinky.
Oh, no. It's kind of pretty in here. Look at the sky. Look at it.
Yeah.
Wow, this portal is awesome. Look at the
Look
rainfall.
at the water.
You see it, Rylan? You see the waterfall?
It looks so good that we can drink it.
Does look like it, huh, Rylan?
I'm going in the poodle.
Alright, guys, let's get out of here, man. Let's go back so we can get the rest of them in there. Man, that Triceratops was something, right? He got kind of big there. He tried to go out the room?
Yep.
What's he doing? Alright, look, let's go get another one, Rylan.
Alright.
Which one we gonna do now, buddy?
Brachiosaurus.
Alright, let me see him before we blow him up.
Alright, we got to blow him up like the same height,
Not all the way big, right?
Yeah, not
parts
all
of the way. Alright, put him over there, Rylan.
Part the way he'll be.
Yeah, because if we, man. He's getting big, guys. Okay, guys, give him a little space. Oh, wow, look at his long neck. Keelan, see if you can pet it. You petting it, buddy? Is he rough? What's the skin feel like? Is it tough, man?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, man. Be careful, his neck's real long. Just pet it, a Brachiosaurus, Keelan. Look at him, Rylan. What do you think about him, buddy? What color is he?
Green.
He is green, man. He's going in there. Oh, look, the mountains. All right, go on in there, big fella. He's going in there. He's going into the portal, guys.
Oh, kind of.
What do you see, Keelan? A lot of trees in there?
Yeah, a lot of mountains.
Yeah, so you're gonna have a lot of food to eat, huh?
Yep.
All right, cool, awesome, guys. All right, Keelan.
Bye,
Tell this big guy bye,
Brachiosaurus.
man.
Bye, Brachiosaurus.
Bye.
Bye, Brachiosaurus.
Bye.
Bye.
Keelan and Riley, man, it's a lot of work getting those guys back in there, ain't it?
Yeah, it's pain.
Man, it's a lot of work. So, all right, guys, we'll take a little food break. And we'll be right back, right?
Yeah.
All right, man. All right, guys, what's up, man?
Alright, so what's happening is we're checking on the eggs right now. Oh my god.
All right, we're checking on the eggs, Keelan.
Look, the lid popped out.
All right, guys, this
one.
is day 2. Try not to crack them. And we got some cracks in our eggs here, guys.
Whoa, look
at
this
'em.
one. This is
Whoa,
already.
all right, don't try to move them too much. They're they're coming out slow.
Look at what kind too.
What time do y'all think they are?
I think this one might be a Triceratops.
All right.
Titan.
Okay, guys.
This one might be a Stegosaurus because
Alright.
it has the lips.
All right, guys. Well, we'll keep y'all updated. It's supposed to take 3 days, so we got one more day till these guys completely come out. It's supposed to. All right, what's up, nature boys?
Hey, so today we are checking in on the eggs
This
and
is the-
sending the dinosaurs back to Dinosaur
Yeah, we're
Island.
gonna start blowing them up again.
Yep.
So what we got left over here?
We got the T-Rex, we got the Allosaurus, we got the Velociraptor.
All right. And So this is the third day of the eggs, guys. Let's check on them. Riley, you coming? All right, let's open the top, man.
Whoa!
Let everybody
look
see
at
what we
those
got.
eggs.
Oh, they cracked out of their eggs completely, huh, guys?
Yeah.
Now look
Whoa,
at
what
these
kind of babies are they, man?
Oh, look, these two are twins.
Let's see. Hold them up. Let's get them out. Let's get them out, guys. Wow. So that one's a...
They're both Stegosaurus.
What is that
awesome.
one's kind?
Put it to the side so we can get them out of the shell. There you go. Put them out of the water. Cool. Dino water hatch these eggs. What's that other one?
That's
that,
a
right?
Triceratops.
Let me
That's
see.
huge. It's bigger than these.
Whoa.
This
These
is
guys are
my
cool.
look at him. This is a 10.
All right, let's put them to the side to keep them safe from the other dinosaurs so we can send these other guys back, all right? And then we're going to have to figure out what we're going to do with these little guys, all right?
Yeah. We
I
might
know,
send
Riley.
the two twins back.
Send the twins back?
Yeah.
You guys want to keep one as a pet?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like, keep one in here.
A
Like,
pet dino dog?
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll see, man. I don't know. Let's see. We'll beat them up. All right, Riley, come on out there, buddy. Let's blow these other ones up, man. Come
Yeah.
on.
Come on.
So we're getting the guns, man. And we're getting ready to blow these guys up, right, Keelan?
Right.
What do you think, Riley? All right, Riley, go ahead and grab the T-Rex, man.
I got
Let
it.
them get it,
Okay.
Keelan. All right, and we're not going to make him real big, though, right, Riley?
Yeah, we're gonna make him like baby
We're going to make him
size.
baby-sized T-Rex. So, how many cannon shots did I got to take? All right, Riley, you got it right there? All right, let's get on each side of them, guys. Start shooting, guys. All right, he's getting bigger. Look, Riley, you guys blow him up. He's baby
We're
T-Rex.
jumping over
Whoa,
him.
Keelan, be careful, man. Riley, you gonna jump over him? Whoa, almost, Riley. Good job, man. Keelan, whoa. What watch him, Keelan. Oh, look at him, he's being nice.
Hey,
Oh,
he almost
whoa,
got
watch
me.
your hand. Back, Keelan. Watch his toes. Riley, here, step back with me, buddy. All right, Keelan, watch him, watch him. We're about to open this portal up. Get him in there. Show him in there, Keelan.
Go in. Back off. Not go. Go in there, little T-Rex.
Make him get in there. Watch your feet, Keelan.
Go in.
Oh, there he goes, buddy. Ah, yeah, good job, Keelan. He's in there.
We might have.
Oh, wow, the velociraptors are coming out, Keelan. You might watch your feet, buddy.
I'm out of here.
Run out the door, buddy.
I'm out of here.
Oh, Riley, here, watch out. Get back in there, you little guys. We're going to have to close the portal. Close this portal on these guys. Shrinking it. Oh, back up, Riley. Back up, buddy. We're going to close it on them. Oh, Keelan, he's coming out, buddy. Whoa, guys, what happened?
Outside.
Oh, wait, we let him out the door, Riley?
Yeah.
Oh, no, guys. Oh, man, we're going to have to track this guy down. Where would he go? Let's go see how far he went.
He's getting away, Dad.
Oh, man.
Oh man.
He ran down the street. Keep running. Come on back in, man. We're going to have to get our outfits and stuff, guys. We'll catch this guy a little later. We'll track him down, all right?
All right.
Hey, Riley, come on, man. So we get our stuff ready to track him down, okay?
Okay, let's get our stuff.
All right, get the guns ready, the shrink guns,
Yeah.
Riley. And we'll get our vests. And guys, we're going to have to take a break.
Yeah, that one's yours.
Riley, Keelan, we won't be able to send these guys back till later. We'll take a break from them. And we're going to protect the babies in here, okay?
All right.
Maybe we can send the baby dinos back that we hatched. That was pretty cool, huh? That Velociraptor was fast, wasn't he, Riley? Was he flying?
Yeah.
You see him running in the yard, man?
They can go like 40 miles per hour.
Yeah, we're gonna help those little guys in a minute. But all All right, Keelan, what do you tell the guys? Till next time.
Subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.
And stay tuned, right?
Yep.
Stay tuned. We got little Dino. We might have one as a pet, maybe.
Maybe.
And we gotta catch these velociraptors.
Yep.
All
Yes.
right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.